Imagine, you're looking up at the night sky, and somewhere out there, a ghostly green-blue light is hurtling past the planets, faster than anything we've seen before. That's not just a comet, this is 3I/Atlas, a true interstellar traveler. It didn't start its journey here. No, 3I/Atlas was born in the chaos of another star system, flung out into the dark between the stars, and now, by sheer cosmic luck, it's taken a detour through our solar system. Let's zoom out, way out. From our little Earth, past Mars, past the gas giants, all the way to the edge where sunlight fades. Suddenly this glowing visitor rips through, dragging a brilliant, greenish-blue tail like a cosmic highlighter. Telescopes all over the world scramble to catch a glimpse. NASA confirms this is no ordinary comet, it's an alien visitor. But how rare is this? Remember ʻOumuamua in 2017? It looked like a spinning cigar, then Borisov in 2019, blazing with icy gases. Now 3I/Atlas joins the club, as only the third known interstellar object ever spotted in our neighborhood. Check this out. See them side by side. ʻOumuamua, Borisov, and 3I/Atlas. Each one unique, each one carrying secrets from distant stars. 3I/Atlas is faster, brighter, and possibly more mysterious than them all. What can we learn from this alien visitor? Every chunk of ice, every particle of dust, holds clues about worlds we've never seen. Maybe even how life begins. And as 3I/Atlas disappears back into the abyss, it leaves us with questions we'll be chasing for years. So, are you ready for the next cosmic mystery? Hit subscribe, and let's explore the universe, together.